G'day guys. Today we're going to take a look at overclocking the E8400 Core 2 Duo, which is 3 GHz clock speed with 6 meg cache, 1333 frontside bus in the socket 775 format. This little beast cost me a whopping $6.50 Australian dollars shipped, which just about broke the bank. Alright, let's get into it. We start by loading optimized defaults, then we press Ctrl F1 to bring up the advanced options. We go into Intelligent Tweaker. Now the 9 times multiplier is automatically set there, and although the fine CPU clock ratio can be adjusted by 0.5, it doesn't have any effect because the E8400 has a maximum of a 9 times multiplier clock ratio, so yeah, don't bother with that. Okay, next up is going to be the host clock control, which is enabled, and we just bang it straight to 470, don't mess about, which will take it to 4.23 gig. CIA2, forget about that crap. Turbo, disable that, don't, just leave it on standard, no need. Extreme memory profile, can set to profile 2 if it's available. And the multiplier to the lowest multiplier that we've got available, which takes our memory to 940 because we've got DDR2 1066. Load line enabled, of course, stable out the voltages. In the vehicle we try 1.3 to start with, to see how we go. And the DRAM voltage is set to stock, which is 2.1 volts. Alright, that is done for the overclocking. Now we just tidy up the rest of the BIOS with the random crap. Just select our boot device. Get rid of that full screen logo crap. Enable the state support so we get keep the processor cool while it's in Windows. Change it to AHCI mode, which is the SSD, and save and exit. And now we pray. Okay, booted up, so it's booted, which is a good thing. And we'll just go back into BIOS and check our temperatures and make sure that it's not stupidly high. Make sure our boot device is set, because some Gigabyte motherboards don't always save your boot drive selection correctly the first time, and it sometimes takes a couple of times to go into BIOS and set that right. So let's try and boot into Windows at 4.23 gigahertz. Okay, remember we've got the voltage set to 1.3. So we'll crank up real temp to check our temperatures in Windows. There we go. Okay, so that's telling me that we probably need some more voltage. So we'll reboot this and go back into the BIOS, and I'd say go to 1.35 volts on the processor, because 1.3 is probably a bit low for 4.2. So I'll crank it to 1.35 and try again. Save that crap and reboot. Okay, so back in Windows, real temp, check our temps. Make sure they're not stupidly high. They're looking pretty good so far. Idling at roughly 45 degrees Celsius. In Windows that's not bad, so let's crank up Prime 95 and see how long it lasts. Okay, so yeah, you can see the voltage there. The actual real voltage in Windows is 1.328. So it's got a little bit of a V droop, so voltage dropping there. So anyway, let's crank up Prime and see how we go. So it's looking good. We'll give that a half hour Prime and see how we go. Thanks for watching, guys.